This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne London. This townhouse is a must-see in the heart of Kempsville. Spacious open floor plan on the first floor. The rear of the townhome features a cozy den complete with a fireplace. 3 bedrooms, one with its own ensuite bathroom on the second floor. The backyard includes a privacy fence, shed, and wood deck. 2 assigned parking spaces in front of the house. Plenty of guest parking is available. Complete new TRANE HVAC system installed 10/21. Perfect starter home. Seller to make no repairs. House to convey as is, where is. Near interstates, shopping, town center, bases, and all things Virginia Beach. For more information, review the details below.